This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by lisalewis. One-of-a-kind custom all-brick ranch west/oversized garage. Open floor plan west/see-through fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors. Large kitchen west/granite and stainless steel appliances. Butler's pantry west/plenty of cabinets. Tiled sunroom off kitchen. Open LL west/wet bar and fourth bedroom, full bath, and office/X room or non-conforming fifth bedroom. 2 large storage areas. Newly installed backup generator, HVAC, roof, garage doors and more. Wrought iron fenced yard. Camera security system to stay with property. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Lewis at 816-305-124.